Welcome back to another video today, everyone. Today, we're going to be cleaning the crap out of my peripherals. You know why? Because I sat down today and I was like, geez, my keyboard's kind of dirty. I'll show you some B-roll of how dirty things are. And basically, I kind of just wanted to show you today how easy it is to, get your peripherals looking kind of nice and clean and brand new again. Anyway, I think it's safe to get started on everything now. Okay, so now that I actually got all the keys off the keyboard, it is so dirty. Like, I didn't realize how dirty this keyboard was until now. 'Cause holy crap, look at that. And wow, that was a lot of stuff in there. It was pretty gross. And so now I'm gonna move on to, I guess I'm just gonna wipe this all down while it's nice and, I don't know, free of keycaps. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe all of these down as I put them into the keyboard. And that should give us a pretty good result. Now for the last key. Yeah. Alrighty, so here we are in the laundry for the second time on this channel, and basically I'm gonna fill this bad boy up with water, and I'm also gonna put some laundry powder on the on top of this good old mouse pad. And then we'll just get to scrubbing it, and it's gonna be good. We're gonna clean the crap out of this mouse pad. Alright, let's get to it. That is some dirty ass water. And now I'm gonna go and hang it up. And I also nearly forgot my headphones. How would I forget my headphones? These things are filthy, because good old dandruffy me gets them all dirty. Alrighty, so now that the mousepad has had a day to dry, it's come out really nice. There's just a couple spots that I didn't, I guess, go over as thoroughly as I should have, because there's still some dirt left there, still some residue kind of left over from that. Basically, just if you're cleaning your mousepad with the method that I used, I would definitely recommend, you know, going around the edges and making sure that it's all completely cleaned up. And as for the mouse and keyboard, yeah, they came out just basically as you'd expect. They look great. They look almost brand new. It did take a long time to clean this keyboard though. It was a good like hour or something to get all the keycaps out and then individually clean them all, then individually dry them, but it really came out nice. I think it was definitely worth it for the amount of time I had to put in. Alrighty, so that's about it for this video. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. And if you also want to see more content from me, hit that subscribe button down below. That would be greatly appreciated. But that's all for now, so I'll see you all in the next video.